Hi everyone, I'm Ong Yee Sheng. Now I explain and simulation the fire alarm system. First, we connect the mainboard and the breadboard with a power red wire and a neutral wire to negative, so that the electric can be looped. Then we use a jumper with two jumper to connect, because the top two line and the bottom two line, the electric and data share is horizontally. Then the A to J, the middle part, is shared vertically. So we need to use a jumper, because here is the brake. Okay, here also is a brake. Okay, here is the brake. Okay, next we connect the gas sensor to the Arduino board to the socket A0 as a data output cable. Then got 3 pin. The 3 pin is power, is used for power. Then the 2 pin is for neutral. Then we use the resistor to control the flow of electric. Then for the temperature sensor, we use a power, a neutral, and a data output cable. The data of the temperature will output to the A1, and the gas sensor will output to A0. Then the ambient light will output to the A2. Okay. Then we use a T7 cable to connect to the buzzer. Means that why cannot straight away link to the breadboard. The power here is because we need to use the Arduino to activate through the T7 port. Then to activate the buzzer while the gas sensor is detect the smoke of more than 100. Okay, next, the light, the orange light, okay, is used for temperature, and the red alert light is used for the flame, detect the flame, which is the ambient light sensor. The first one is the connect to the D13 port, and the next one is the D12 port. Okay. Okay, next we go to the code. For the coding, the first 3 lines is defined that the temperature alert LED, the light, the ambient light alert LED, and the gas alert buzzer is from 13 and 12 and 7. Then for the setup function, A0 it means the gas sensor. Then the A1 is for temperature sensor, and the A2 is ambient light sensor. It's input the data through the A0, A1, and A2. Then the temperature alert LED, the ambient light alert LED, and the buzzer is output from the 13, 12, and 7. Okay, from 13, 12, and 7. Okay, then the serial connection start. Okay, for the degree info function, you will print out all the data collected by the sensor. Then the loop will call out all the function that used in the degree info, and it means that this function is used to run the fire alarm system. Okay. Okay. For here is, if the gas sensor detect the smoke degree is more than 100, then we'll activate the buzzer. The second one is the temperature data will detect more than 75 Celsius. We'll activate the temperature alert LED, else the temperature LED will keep blinking. Okay, then the LED will keep lighting all the time until the temperature is more than 75 Celsius detected by the temperature sensor. Then it's an ambient light sensor. Ambient light sensor detect more than 20 like flame or something. else then will activate the red color, the alert lining. Okay, if the gas temperature and ampere light sensor detect the abnormal degree at same time, then the two alert LED and the buzzer will activate until the for loop is end. Okay. Okay, now we run the simulation. Okay, while in normal the degree is 85, then the temperature degree is 25. Okay, near 25, then ampere light detect is 0. Okay, now we detect the ampere light. While the ampere light increase, detect the flaming or sunlight, then will become higher degree, then the LED will keep lighting, else the LED will blinking. Okay. Blinking means normal, more than 75, then the alert LED will keep lighting all time. Okay, keep running all time. 76, 77 Celsius, and the LED will lighting all time. Okay, back to normal. Okay, blinking again. Okay, for gas sensor also, detect more than 100, the buzzer will loud, the buzzer will sound off. Okay, remove. Okay, the buzzer will cut off. Okay, buzzer will cut off. Okay, okay, my simulation end here. Thank you.